This is Pluto at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Pluto loves to play.
His name's Candy Corn.
He's such a good guy.
See? This is Zoe.
Want me to send it back to you now? Huh, Pluto? Those big feet of yours just love to play, don't they?
What animals that need to be rescued?
Got a mouse? How about a ball?
Look at him. His name's Biggie. Oh,
Good boy,
pretty.
Pluto.
Yeah, she is pretty. She wants to play. Woody's trying to get a good picture of her. You trying to get her to look up?
No, it's a video. What?
She's pretty.
Okay, Pluto, we'll say goodbye. Pluto wants out to play. Bye-bye, Pluto.